right, we got it in the bag. So it's gonna be March. Looks like we got this one. This is the first hotel I ever did, which they had it budgeted for. Having these relationships are great because now we're gonna do this one. We got this one on the books for March as well, which is this beast here, which is the biggest project that I've ever done, ever. And there's another one right over here behind the Sheraton that we do all the time. Anyways, I wanna give you this little video because, you know, I know stress and all that stuff can kill you, man. It can kill you, and you're trying to build your business, you're trying to build your team, and you don't know what to expect for the year, when really all you need to do is focus on getting your deals, man, getting your relationships back together. Okay, like, I gotta use the restroom real quick, but like, why don't you, instead of like stressing out, worrying about, you know, everything that you have going on, why don't you make a few phone calls to some of your prospective clients, some of the people that you do business with, some, you know, just why don't you hit them up, you know, say, hey, look, I want to touch base with you and just kind of see how things are going so we can get you on the schedule, because, you know, right now you might be a little bit overwhelmed, you know, things might be kind of tough for you, but you don't know, you know, what some of your clients are thinking right now. Like, they might want to do business with you, you know? I've been a little bit stressed out, you know, waiting for March, April to roll around. And here I am, you know, I'm stopping in on some of the sites and I'm finding out that they're ready to roll. They're ready to do business. They're ready to schedule. I just got 2 deals right now that I did prior, and they're ready to move. This is one of them, right? One of them is the biggest one that I've ever done. So don't lose hope. Don't lose hope in yourself. Don't lose hope in your business. You know, just right now, you might be going through some things. You might not have the financials you need. You know, you're trying to figure out how you're going to pay payroll. You know, I know how it is, man. I know, trust me. Making the last payroll was kind of tough for me as well. So I completely get it, but it is among us. We are on our way to make money again, to have prosperity. I mean, think about it, man. When things are doing good for you, you know, you don't really stress out. You're not really thinking about it. You're not thinking about, you know, the problems that you're having or the financial struggles that you're having. You're not thinking about it. When you're doing good, when you're abundant, right? When you have jobs on the line, you have clients that are calling you. You're not thinking about the stress and the overwhelm and the anguish. You're thinking about how do you just make more? You're thinking about, how do I focus on getting more deals? Who do I call? Who do I hire? You know, you have the tools, you have the money, you have everything that you need in order to make that happen.